Welcome, everybody. I'm Tim Langley, and I'm your writing instructor. And I I wish we could be face to face, but a lot of you prefer online, and it's a great option as well. So I want to talk to you about a couple things. And the first thing I want to do is give you some encouragement. If you're a little bit nervous about doing online school or writing, and you maybe have felt in the past that you didn't do so well in a writing class, I want you to know that I am committed to helping you do well in my class. My philosophy as a teacher is kind of a customer service approach where I will do whatever I can to help you be successful. And I want you all to succeed. So I want you to know that right from the beginning, right off the bat, that that's what I'm here for. Again, my name is Tim Langley. I'm going to jump in and give you kind of a quick guided tour of my class. So if you'll just hang on for a second, let me just show you what my class looks like here. So when you first land in my classroom, okay, which is the English 97 or TS 97 Introduction to College paragraphs, I've set it up so it's real. I think it's pretty user friendly, and that's why I've made this video. And so I'll put this video right here so you can see it. But do you see right here where it says week 1? I've set it up so you don't have to go searching all over the place trying to find things. You just, everything you need to do for week 1, which starts January 3rd, is right here. And you literally will just progress through it. You'll just click on each thing and go right down the row till you're already done with everything that has to do with week 1, okay? When you get to week 2, the second week of the quarter, second week of January, says week 2, there's a mini lesson. And kind of how I set this up, just to kind of give you kind of a perspective of kind of like, I have kind of like a 1, 2, 3 approach for the week every week. So let me show you what I mean by my 1, 2, 3 approach, okay? Let's see if I have this ready to roll here. Yep, here it is. So what I did was I set it up so a normal week progression looks like this. Step 1 is you're going to read or watch a video and take notes on it, just like we were meeting face to face. If you and I were, as a classroom, were face to face, I might first have a mini lecture and talk to you about how to use commas or some punctuation rules, or what does a good paragraph look like. So anyway, what you'll do is watch the blue step here. Step 1, you'll look at the content, read it, take notes on it in a notebook. If it's something you watch, take notes on it in a notebook, okay? And then step 2 is there'll be some kind of a writing assignment. Every week there'll be and they're not long, they're 1 paragraph. It's a well-developed paragraph, but it's still, at this point in your English progression, this is just a introduction to college paragraphs for most of the quarter, okay? So there'll be read a lesson, watch a video, and then there'll be a writing assignment that you'll do here. And then there'll also be, starting week 2, there'll be some kind of a reading assignment where you're all gonna be reading the book Seabiscuit by Laura Hillenbrand. You'll see that in your syllabus, and I will have sent that to you in a video, in an email, okay? So read the lesson, write the writing assignment, and do the reading assignment where you answer some questions. That's a normal week throughout the quarter. Now, somewhere in some of the lessons, if I show you here, let's see if I can just do this here. In some of the lessons, some of the weeks we'll have, there'll be just quizzes, like right off the bat on week 1 here. You don't have the book yet, so I'm going to teach you a little mini lesson on correction symbols, and then a quiz on correction symbols. And then here's the week 1 writing assignment, okay? Now, one of the nice things I did for you guys this quarter is I made a real effort to do something for you, to give you a gift that I used to love when I was in school. And so what I did is, all throughout the quarter, it'll look pretty much like this when you open up your writing assignment, which, by the way, is most of your grade, is the writing assignments. It'll give you the purpose of the assignment, what the task is, which is your actual, what you have to do, okay? And then if I scroll down here, it'll give you how you were going to be graded, okay? So those 3 things on all assignments. But here's the really nice thing I added this quarter. I've never done this before. It says, check here to see the assignment rubric. Oops, that's not it. It's above it here. Let me show you here. To see what this should look like, read this, okay? Week 1 writing assignment model. So every week when I give you an assignment, I'll actually include a model in there so you can actually click on it. Why don't I just do that right now just to show you what it looks like, okay? And you can download it so you have it and save it on your computer if you want, but it actually shows you what it looks like, okay? Your name, you put your name here, I should say your name, the class, the date, and week one writing assignment, title of your assignment. And this is what your first assignment's about somebody who's influenced your life, okay? And so it kind of shows you a well-developed paragraph. So that is really nice because every single assignment, the writing assignments, you'll have that model and you go, okay, I can just open up the model and see what it looks like. Okay. So that's the progression throughout the whole quarter. And again, it goes like this every week, week 1, 2, 3, all the way throughout the whole quarter. There'll be mini lessons. Sometimes there'll be a quiz, but all the way to the very end. And that should guide you, kind of get you started. I hope you find this helpful. And I look forward to working with you. I will send you an email every either Sunday night or Monday morning telling you what to do that week, giving you some tips and reminders. And then I'll probably send something late in the week reminding you what you need to have gotten done.